Hello, welcome back to the channel. Long time no see. I have been doing a lot of other stuff. Videos will be coming out. Today we are driving the Volvo A25D articulated dump truck. It's a quite new experience for me. I have driven it a couple of years ago for some weeks, but not much. But I really like to do some different stuffs once in a while. You never get bored on these type of jobs because you're never that long on one location and you never get bored. Different things all the time. Today it's dump truck mode. It's an older one without air suspension, so it's quite bumpy, but for a day or two. I think we're driving this today and some days next week, a couple of days. And I was thrown into this morning, so I didn't brought my camera gear, and I know that's wrong. You should always bring your camera gear. So I can't show you any other angles than this. But this will do for today, and I will do another video next week if I'm still driving this. And I will bring my GoPro and the other camera stuff. So I think I'm almost fully loaded. I hope you doesn't get bored with just me talking. We'll be going quite soon. This loading is left bucket. So now fully loaded. Let's go.
Kenneth, jag vet inte, jag har väl ingen mer att lasta. Om vi kommer upp dit så ligger det stora här på med vaselin.
So let's go. I hope you can hear me talking. It's quite noisy in this one. And the camera is good, and the phone is good on picking up sound, so, and vibrations. There's a co-worker of mine. This is a part of a big road rebuild we're doing to get the big road more safe to drive on. It's getting wider and it's getting dividers and safety fence or whatever you call it between the lanes. So west and eastbound traffic will be protected against each other. So this is the dump site.
Kom igen. Ja, först mycket på det. Ja, lite asfalt på rastplatsen. Det är stor höjd som klippar upp det där.
So I'm going up that pile just in front of me, and this is a 6-wheel drive big wheel dump truck. If you doesn't know what an articulated hauler is, search it, Google A25D Volvo. find information and pictures of these kinds of trucks, dump trucks. And it's called articulated hauler because it can, the truck and the bed articulates between each other. So, and it's hydraulic steered, so you don't turn the wheels. It's like a wheel loader, except the turning point is between the cab and the bed, and not in front of you. So it's a little bit different, especially when you're reversing. Let's see how far we should go. It's an edge and soft spot, so you don't want to drive over the edge, and that would be really bad. To the edge, then stop. Perfect. Brake on, bed up. Sorry I can't show you that. Next week I will do, if I still drive this. We'll put some more cameras up. That's empty. It's really hard to tell how steep this hill is because it's really steep. But it never shows on camera. No, bend down. Let's go for the next one. When you're not loaded, it's really bumpy because the suspension is built for carrying 30 tons of gravel and mud and rocks and wherever you can fit in the bed. Bump. There we are, back at the beginning. I really like this to do different kinds of vehicles and things. I hope you like this video. I will be back more. Have a nice day everybody, and I see you in the next one.